This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to install the latest software onto your head unit. Now I've got a Chinese head unit here, and this is the latest software just right here. Now to download this software, I'll put a link in the description. Now you will need to have an empty SD card first. If you do not have a spare SD card, if you go to GPS in your head unit, just borrow the micro SD card out of that, put it into a computer, make a folder up and transfer all your files to that file, all the files in your SD card to that file. Once transferred over, delete them all and you'll have an empty SD card. Now once you've downloaded the file in the link, you will be left with this one here, this file here called update, head unit update. You need to copy all these files into your actual SD card. Now you'll need to let that transfer over, won't take very long. Now do not transfer this file over to it, you need to transfer the files in it over to your SD card, otherwise it won't work. Now once you've got those files to your SD card, take it out of your computer and insert it into your GPS micro SIM port. Now you'll need to restart your head unit. Once it turns on, you will need to tap onto your navigation button here. So once it starts up, press your navigation button and it will start your update automatically. Now once that gets the full processes done, you'll come to a screen calibration, which you'll need to set that, which we'll get to later. So we'll just wait for this to go through. Now what this actually will do is it will remove the Windows CE 6 out of the system and reinstall the latest one into it. Now you may already have the latest one into it, which if you are looking up updating, it will not cause any difference. If you've got a problem with your head unit, this may fix it. So we'll just let that go through it. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so here's your screen calibration. So you just set these calibrations up. By just tapping onto the cross and hit the OK button. Your head unit will restart to your navigation. Okay, and you will need to reset your GPS location. Now you will need to reinstall, you'll need to delete your updated files. Now you must delete it and transfer your actual GPS files back to your head unit. Once you've done that, you've pretty much all done. Everything should be working. Just go through, test everything should be working. your switches down here on your 4 squares. Change your lights, your radio, your Bluetooth. Now this, pretty sure this will reset absolutely everything, so you will need to reconnect all your Bluetooth back up together too. Okay, so that's how you install it. Now once you've done that, you just delete all your files, retransfer your navigation files back to your SD card and refit it back to your GPS SD card holder in your head unit. And that's the process of how to install the latest software into your head unit. It's pretty easy. It's pretty hard to brick the actual head unit. I've got this off the supplier of the head unit, so it's not one off Google. It's actually been supplied by the manufacturer. And that's it for the video. Thank you.